Welcome to BreitWerks. We are in front of a 2000 Boxster S, so 986 platform, Porsche. And show you how to avoid a $1,500 repair that you should never need. But these little cars have an immobilizer box that lives underneath the driver's seat. And what can happen is your body drains can get clogged, and the water from outside, right, the outside, that should just drain down through the bottom of the car, back up and drain into the car. So we got 4 spots that we check. 1, see that black? Wow, there's a leaf there. Even though I've already cleaned this all out, there's a leaf. See this black little spot right here? That's the body drain. So you can pull that out, you can blow through it, you can pour water through it and make sure it hits the ground. That's one of them. There's a total of 4. So that's on the passenger side, right next to the battery for reference. Come around the other side, under the brake booster, you're going to see the other one. Way down, let's see, there she is. Way down in there. So, put my finger in the way, you can see it right there. And what you can do is you can use a tube like this, kind of push it down in the hole. This is plastic, so it's not going to rip anything. And then you can literally blow through this. If you don't have a compressor with compressed air, you can blow through it. But those drains are very short. Just get the leaves out, and you can even pour water down the hole and then make sure that it runs around the back or just down to the bottom. Now the other 2, we have the top in the service position, and these are a little bit more interesting to find. You see that depression that's down in there? So that's the drain for this foam piece, but you actually have to kind of hook your finger backwards to be able to feel where the tube starts, and it kind of hooks around to the back. So you want to be careful, because if you shove a wire or something in there, you'll crack the plastic tube. So the plastic tube actually runs right down here behind the wheel well panel, and it's white if you look at it from the top. But again, it's just a plastic tube. You can use that same tube that I showed you, and you can blow through it and clear those drains out. Because if these drains don't clear, the water will migrate into the cabin, and you will end up having to spend around $2,000 to have that repair made so that your car will start and run again. Here's the other one. This one's a little bit straighter. You can actually see the white tube down there. But again, don't force anything down in there. Just kind of use your finger to feel around in there and then push the tube down. And then what I like to do is just take a little bit of water and test that everything worked the way that it was supposed to. So we'll do this front drain, for example, and this is just a gallon of water, and we should hear it hit the floor. No more than that. Yeah, so there, it hit our floor, and then we can do the same thing in the back here. And while I pour the water in, we'll look at the ground. You see it come flowing right out. That's all you need. So 4 drains, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. Blow through them, keep them clear, and you will not have to replace your immobilizer unit and have it reprogrammed to the ECU and to the key. Give us a call here at BreitWerks, or check us out at breitwerks.com. Thanks for watching.